Morning routine. Get up. Time to wake up. Did you sleep well? Good morning. Let's brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Comb your hair. Eat your breakfast. Are you ready for school? At school. Let's go to school. Don't forget your bag. Listen to your teacher. Raise your hand. Be kind to your friends. Don't run in the hallway. Do your homework. Time for lunch. Share with your classmates. Let's read a book. At home. Welcome back home. Take off your shoes. Wash your hands. Change your clothes. Time for a snack. Let's clean up your toys. Let's do your homework. Do you need help? Be careful. Use your inside voice. Manners. Please pass me the water. You're welcome. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me. May I go to the bathroom? Can I play with you? Let's take turns. That's very kind of you. Don't be rude. Playtime. Let's play a game. I love this toy. Don't fight. That's not nice. You did a great job. Let's build something. I want to draw. Look what I made. Let's play outside. Time to come inside. Feelings. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm hungry. I'm sleepy. I feel sick. I'm excited. I'm scared. I love you. It's okay. Don't worry. Eating time. Let's eat. I'm full. This is yummy. I don't like this. Please give me more. Don't talk with your mouth full. Use your spoon. Finish your food. Say thank you to the cook. Time to clear your plate. Learning and activities. Let's count together. A, B, C, D. What color is this? What's the time? Let's sing a song. Can you spell this? What's your favorite animal? Let's draw something. What shape is this? Let's solve this puzzle. Bedtime routine. Time to change into pajamas. Let's brush your teeth. Wash your face. It's story time. Let's read a bedtime story. Good night. Sleep tight. Sweet dreams. Don't be afraid. I'll stay with you. Encouragement and discipline. You can do it. Try again. Don't give up. Be patient. Great job. Well done. That's not okay. Please say sorry. Let's fix it together. I'm proud of you.
Like, my channel.